Long and shiny hair always grab the attention of people because it's the dream of everyone to have beautiful and lustrous hair. When it comes to natural remedies that promote hair growth, then definitely the name of castor oil comes in our mind. Castor oil has shown amazing results in solving various hair-related problems. The people who are looking for natural and easy ways to increase hair growth, improve hair texture, and get lustrous hair must use castor oil because it has numerous benefits when you use it in the right way. You will find castor oil as the main ingredient in so many hair packs and hair masks. In this video, let's discuss the benefits of castor oil and how to use castor oil for hair growth. Benefits of using castor oil. Number 1. The use of castor oil promotes hair growth and detangles the hair as well. Number 2. Castor oil is very beneficial to treat hair dandruff and to protect your hair against hair breakage. Number 3. Castor oil moisturizes the scalp by improving the circulation of blood towards the scalp. Number 4. People with hair split ends and hair loss must try castor oil because it will make their hair healthy. Number 5. The antioxidant properties of castor oil make it suitable to prevent hair fall that is caused due to free radicals. Number 6. If you have dull hair, then castor oil will increase the luster and shine of your hair when used frequently. Number 7. People who complain about premature hair graying at an early age must not worry at all because castor oil prevents hair graying naturally. Number 8. You can have thick and strong hair by the use of castor oil because it increases the thickness and density of your hair. Number 9. The antibacterial and antimicrobial properties of castor oil will protect your scalp against infections. Number 10. You can improve the overall texture and health of your hair by using castor oil regularly. Using castor oil for hair growth. Castor oil and olive oil hair mask. You can make your own homemade hair mask using castor oil that will promote hair growth. This hair mask is very easy to prepare and all you need is 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of castor oil and that's it. Mix both of these oil and gently massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it for about 2 hours and then wash it off using a shampoo. A mix of these oils will penetrate into the scalp, reaching the hair cuticles. You can have thick and shiny hair after using hair mask. Castor oil hair treatment. Those who want to stimulate their hair growth must try using castor oil treatment that includes a remarkable combination of 4 oils including castor oil, sweet almond oil, sesame seed oil and coconut oil. You can go for a combination of any of these hair oils depending upon your choice. You need to take 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons sesame seed oil and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Mix all these 4 oils and massage your scalp deeply from the roots of your hair towards the tips. Leave it for about 1 to 2 hours and then wash it off with a shampoo. You will notice that your hairs have become soft and shiny after this hair treatment. Regular use of castor oil hair treatment will promote hair growth. Castor oil and aloe vera gel hair mask. It's an effective hair mask to make your hair long and strong. As we all know that aloe vera gel is very beneficial to treat dull and frizzy hair and when it is used along with castor oil then it helps to increase the growth of your hair naturally. For this hair mask you will need half cup aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons of castor oil and 2 teaspoons of fenugreek powder optional. Mix all the ingredients well and apply it on your scalp gently and deeply. Leave it for up to 2 hours and then rinse your hair with any mild shampoo. Repeat this hair mask every week for up to 1 month to see noticeable results. How often do we need to use castor oil for hair growth? It's very important that one must know the correct frequency of using castor oil for hair growth. The experts recommend the use of castor oil once a week and more frequent use of this oil will cause more harm than doing good. You should also know that castor oil puts stains on your clothes, so you need to be very careful when applying it to your hair.